Yes, Minority Leader.
Honorable Speaker, thank you very much for your indulgence. I join my two colleagues, the Honorable Murugara and the Honorable Esther Pasadis, in welcoming the students who are seated at the parliamentary gallery. Honorable Speaker, having said that, I want to equally seek your indulgence, Honorable Speaker, and I am trying to look around to see if the chair for Education Committee is around. I don't seem to see Honorable Mbele, Honorable Speaker, nor can I see the Vice Chair. Honorable Speaker, not that notwithstanding, there is a matter which has arisen that would require very, very urgent intervention. At the very least, some guidance from the Chair for Education Committee. Honorable Speaker, the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Services, KUPS, the famous KUPS, has just announced that they are opening their portals for university application to students to make various changes, to apply for various changes, including changing university courses and so on and so forth. And yet, I am privy to information that the Education Committee of this House has already made some declaration or some directive that the Ministry of Education withdraws all university admissions on account of conflicts or anomalies in the amount of fees that students are supposed to pay for various courses. Honorable Speaker, this state of affairs obviously paints a picture of serious confusion in the universities and colleges education sector. It is a matter that cannot wait for the normal statements. Honorable Speaker, if you agree with me, it's a matter that would require very immediate clarification from the Chair of the Education Committee, and if possible, it would require an intervention or a position being taken by the whole House so that this issue is addressed at the earliest possible opportunity. Honorable Speaker, thank you. Yeah.
Honorable Mbele, you are not here. Look at the Hansard and respond to that tomorrow morning. You can find the details of the minority leaders' concern in the Hansard. Then tomorrow morning, the Deputy Speaker will give you an opportunity to respond. Now we go to a response to a statement by the Honorable Mohammed Ado, MP Wajir South.